Hi everyone, I have a Temu haul to share with you guys. I do have a coupon code with them because I am an affiliate. It is fav45575. You can put that in the search bar on the website or on the app. It'll take you to my storefront. If you're a new user, I'll give you coupons. It will also take you to the links to these products. I'll also leave a link to these products down below in the description box. So I noticed Temu is kind of going back to normal before the tariff started. So you can actually buy from Temu directly, which is great. I'm really happy that that is starting to roll out again. These items were sent to me by Temu. You using my links or my coupon code does help them continue to sponsor my videos, so I super appreciate it if you can do that. So for $3.63, I got this really cool flag die. So you can see it has the stitching and it has the layering piece for each little scalloped flag. So I thought that was really, really nice. So I got that one. And if you wanted to use this like layering piece, like this piece and this piece right here between those two sizes, you could definitely start making shakers out of those. It'll give you a nice little thick border. So I thought that was really nice with that set also. For $1.64, I got this one if you're into like Starry Night, or I thought this would be really pretty for Halloween. I think this is really cute. Maybe if you're like scrapbooking like the stars, this would be really pretty. I am going to go to Alaska and I'm hoping to see the northern lights, and this kind of just like reminded me of that as well, just like swirly colors and just really pretty. Okay, this one I'm really excited that I found. It was $3.25, and look, it is tags that you can cross stitch. How fun would this be? You definitely need to cut it out in thick cardstock. I was thinking about trying watercolor paper because that's generally thicker than even thick cardstock, or like mixed media paper is thicker than some of the cardstocks as well. So I will definitely be cutting that out. Or if you want to do regular cardstock, just cut it out like at least twice and then glue them together and then stitch them. You want to make sure it's nice and sturdy and thick. Or if you have a lightweight chipboard. Ooh, I think I have lightweight chipboard also that I can use for this. So yeah, I'm going to try different things. We'll see what cuts out. We'll see what I can come up with. But I like that it comes in 3 different sizes, which is really fun. So this first one is 3 inches. Then the next one is 3.5. And then our largest tag is, what is that? 4 3/4. So a whole variety of different sizes there. Bunch of different possibilities. Let's see, like I'd probably do it on this one where I do like a pumpkin down here and then try to do like boo or spooky up here. I think would fit probably on this larger tag. If you wanted to do just like a jack-o'-lantern pumpkin, I would just do it on probably the smaller one. So we'll have to test this out and play around and see what we can make out of it. I think it'd be really fun. Okay, I've been really into tags, and they had a bunch of tags and a bunch with stitching. I love me some stitching as well. So there are these 4 different tags right here, and I like that they're not all the same pattern. So you can see like the top right here is different. This one has some like waves. This one's just kind of like round. This one kind of comes in and then bubbles up, and then this one has like that whole like scalloped edge. So I thought these were really, really fun, and this was only $1.65. So super affordable. I'm loving that it's back to being affordable, because during this whole tariff part, it was kind of crazy expensive, and the shipping was expensive and the tariff fee was expensive. So I'm happy that we are kind of like evening out and getting back to more affordable crafting. Okay, this one is so cute. This was $3.05. Now, I'm not like really into cats. I've always had dogs, but I thought this one was adorable. This cat die lays on top of your boo. So the cats will fit over. It's going to be so stinking cute. I will definitely be cutting these out and sharing with you guys what I create. If you guys saw my last video, I'll try to remember to link it down below as well. I got a bunch of dies in that video as well. So I'm going to go ahead and try to cut everything out and then share with you guys, you know, putting everything together. I think would be really fun. And this is one of those that I cannot wait to cut out and see how it comes together. I love Halloween. Halloween is my favorite holiday, my favorite time of year, and second is Christmas. So this is going to be a whole lot of fun to go ahead and put together. This one is really cute. Again, I've been like in that whole like little stitching, finding things. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layering pieces. And it was $2.57. I thought this would be really cute to do a card base out of. Because if you do like this rectangle right here as part of your card base, and then, you know, we could go ahead and like put our boo on top of there. Like, see, that would be cute. It's going to fit perfect. So we use this one right here as like our layering piece. We put our boo right here, put our cats on top of it. Boom. You have a nice, simple, very cute card. I think that's going to be really adorable. I cannot wait, like I said, to start playing and mixing some things up with you guys. Okay, you know, bows are on the rage right now. Everybody has bows. Hobby Lobby has tons of bow paper and bow stickers. I'm loving all the bows that are coming out. So when I saw this kit, I just had to get it. And I like that it looked like some of these could be layered together like immediately. So this is like the large, the medium, and this one actually looks like the small piece right here. So it looks like I could actually layer those 3 pieces to make one bow. And then kind of the same thing with over here. Like this long stringy bow, I feel like these two can go ahead and lay on top of each other. And then with this one, I feel like this one can lay on top over here. I wish they were all like layered together. I think it would be really cute to have like multiple layering pieces, but I am happy with this one. I'm happy with the way it looks. I hope it works the way that I think it will. So I'll definitely keep you guys posted. Like I said, I'll do that update video with everything cut out. It was only $1.70, you guys. Even if you were doing a swap and looking to send like an extra little gift for $1.70, under $2, I think this is really, really great and definitely something to add to the cart to go ahead and add as just a little extra gift. I think would be really cute. That's why I got these butterflies right here. These were only 97 cents. So I got 2. Thinking I'll keep one and share one because it was under $1. So affordable, cheaper than Dollar Tree. And same thing with these. I am going to take the matching pieces and just go ahead and layer them together. I think they're going to be really cute. They have the little like stitching embossing on them, which I'm hoping will come out on the cardstock. So it'll be really nice. But yeah, I'm going to do the same thing. Going to go ahead and take some of these smaller ones, put them on the medium ones, on the larger ones, and layer them up. And they'll be absolutely adorable. This one is like little banner. So it's $2.21. I have like a bunch of dies that say like Merry Christmas, Happy Valentine's Day, Love You, Thinking of You, that are kind of like thin and dainty. So I thought this would be really cute to go ahead and cut this out and then stamp those little sentiments on. So I'm hoping that they will fit. I think they will because there's a whole variety of sizes and shapes. Like this one is just, you know, like all rectangle, and this one has like the little banner. Like you can see like it's cut in like a fishtail. That's what it's called. See, this is just like, you know, one shape, and then this one has like the scallop shape, and then this one is just smooth, like no stitching at all. So I'm really happy I found this set, especially for, you know, $2.21, really affordable. Okay, this one, again, like I said, I don't know why I'm into the like whole like embossing, and I like that this one came with different types of tags, even though, oh, okay, I thought this whole thing was a tag, but only this center one is a tag, and then these are just the shapes. Okay, I just got like a whole new thought because I thought these were all tags. This would be really cute, the scalped one, as a ghost. How cute would that be to add like some little like eyes and make them into a ghost? And you can always make it into a tag. If you have a hole punch, you could just go ahead right here at the top, hole punch it, and then put a little reinforcer and make it into a tag. So that's why I got this one, because I thought it was a multi-size tag. But even though just the center one has the hole, I am not too worried about it. I can definitely still use it as a tag like that. Oh, you know what? I can make a frame out of these, I bet you. Kind of putting these two together and then like cutting this portion out. That would be cute to make little frames and then put like my photos for scrapbooking. Ooh, okay. I'm loving all the different ideas already coming in. So really cute set. And $2.04, you guys. Like, you cannot beat that price. That is so affordable and so cute. Like I said, I thought it was all tags, but instantly getting different ideas on how to use this. We got a ghost. We can cut these out together, make like a little frame, put a photo through. Oh my gosh, so stinking cute. Still use them with tags. I know I have a hole punch, so I can do that as well. Fun, fun, fun. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, please use my coupon code on the links down below so we can continue to get these videos sponsored. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will be doing an update video cutting everything out. I am going to do an update video on where I've been because I think I took like a 3-week break from YouTube, which is kind of crazy for me. I've never gone that long without recording, so hopefully I can get life under control and be back. All right, missed you guys. See you later. Bye, guys.